Hey, happy Easter, everybody. Here we are, another Easter 2025 coming up here. And we have all the beautiful fixings for Easter, which is the hams and turkeys and this is where you can get some specials going on here. This is a ham, a shank. A shank is down near the knee, sort of say, on the on the uh, on the ham. It's usually cheaper, but look at this, less than half price. Beautiful, right? Again, you have to remember that ham is processed, so you have to. I do it in a pressure cooker. I change the water a few times and I get a lot of that salt out. I incorporate some vegetables and what have you, but that there's some things you can do to help take out some of that processed and get down to the pork. Or are you better off with just a pork butt? We have again half price on ribeye, and this is Hannaford's, $6.99. Now this is a bone in, right? Everybody loves a bone. I've seen it $6.99, $7.99 with boneless, but bone in, that's a great price, guys. You can stock up on that. You get some salmon down. Again, this is the cheapest you're gonna find. You might find it $6.99, but that's bottom line, guys. Potatoes. All right, what else we have? Bacon. I sometimes see the Oscar Mayer for $3.99, but that's Oscar Mayer is again, bacon is a processed food, guys. All natural turkey breast, right? So turkey breast, all natural turkey breast, and so that's $7.99. This is what I got this week, $99. Beautiful fresh turkey breast, straight up turkey breast, nothing else. Turkey breast, 99 cents. Save $2.50. I mean, it's turkey breast, 99 cents. How do you can't beat that. This turkey breast sale is going on for another day. Hannaford's also. Okay, I stock up on that. I put it in the freezer. You see fish is $8.99, and what is this called? Haddock. Yep. Again, processed turkey breast. This is better, healthier. What else do we have here? Sirloin steak, $8.99. Not bad. Marinated. What is it marinated in? Seed oils. Ham, $99. Again, this is going to be is this a spiral slice? That's not bad. Bone in, yeah. And that's likely is going to be a shank portion. They're limiting you to 2. Beautiful sweet potato. And what else we got here? Eye of round, which is a lower temperature cook, guys. Lower temperature. You finish it off at about 125 center. I do it in a you can sear and brown the outside, and then low oven until you get a 125 internal temperature. But again, salt, pepper, garlic on the outside, fresh garlic, beautiful, right? And sear, get the color on the outside. There's a product called Kitchen Bouquet that you can work on the outside as well. Nice color and flavor. And then the eye of round. The trick to this is a low temperature, internal temperature finish at 125, and then let it rest before you start cutting into it. Here we got some, they call it wild caught. I don't know. Oh, cod, okay. They don't farm raise cod as far as I know. There's some stories about, well, here's a bacon here. Again, a processed food, guys. We all love bacon, but it's processed, right? And grapes. I'm always looking out for my sugar, watching my sugar. I don't have too much dairy. I limit my eggs as I limit my soy. What else do we have here? This is where our Happy Easter. Happy Easter, everybody! And we got the shank, and we already went over this. And there's another one here. You get the chicken breast. That's a good price. That's chicken breast today, right? What do we have here? Salmon, yeah. So $7.99 is a better price. Again, it says fresh, but it doesn't mean it was fresh caught. It means they're serving it where it's not bad. You have to watch out. The fresh means what? I've seen marketing people talk about this. So a lot of this salmon is farm raised, which has issues. Okay. You got some things. What else we have? So that's what we have going on for food. We got the hams are on sale, half price. We got turkey on sale. I don't know how long that one more day on that one. I don't see it coming up in the in these new flyers here. We have some chicken, and guys, if you're into mulch, this is the big mulch week. 5 big bags of mulch for $10. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Go get some. That's a beautiful price. $2 a bag. Fill up the trunk. And get ready. Spring is coming, guys. Spring is coming. Here's another good thing I circled up. $89 for a 6-foot picnic table. You can't beat that. Spray it down with a preservative, and keep up with it every year. And cuprinol or what have you, and then cover your table with a protector. And how do you beat that for a table, guys? Okay, another thumbs up. This is video number 300. Video number 300. I hope all these videos have helped you. Thumbs up, and share my knowledge with people. Okay, I try to help people learn about food, about health, eating right, doing the right thing. Okay? All right, thank you guys. And happy Easter. Boing! Yay!